Would you get down? We're going to be late for Ines Rebecca's birthday.
I hope there will be cheese at Ines Rebecca's birthday party. You know how much I like cheese. Happy birthday, Ines Rebecca.
Happy birthday, Ines Rebecca.
Happy birthday, Ines Rebecca.
Happy birthday, my friend Ines Rebecca.
Happy birthday, Ines Rebecca.
Breaking news. It's Ines Rebecca's birthday today? And in other news, scientists prove that cats are smarter than dogs. There's no way you could get 8 cats to pull a sled through the snow.
Happy birthday, Ines Rebecca.
Happy birthday, Ines Rebecca.
Happy birthday, Ines Rebecca. Happy birthday, Ines Rebecca.
Happy birthday, Ines Rebecca.
Happy birthday, Ines Rebecca.
Happy birthday, Ines Rebecca.
I have studied many philosophers and many cats. The wisdom of cats is infinitely superior.
Please subscribe, give us a like, and share this video, so we can grow our happy little community of cat lovers. Now, let's get Ines Rebecca's party started.